we'll guide you through how to make shake transition in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for the app to load completely. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use for the transition. Once the footage layers are added to the timeline, select the first footage layer to begin creating the transition effect. With the first footage selected, go to the Effect option and press Add Effect to open the Effect browser. After that, go to the Move/Transform category where motion effects are located. Inside this category, find and select Auto Shake. Once Auto Shake is added, a number of presets will appear. Browse through the available presets and select Transition Out. This preset is designed to create an outgoing shake animation that works well at the end of the first footage. After applying the preset, the first footage will have a shake effect that animates it out of the screen according to the preset settings. Next, move to the second footage layer in the timeline and select it. Once the second footage is selected, open the Effect browser again. Search for Auto Shake just as you did with the first footage. When the Auto Shake effect appears, add it to the second footage layer. After applying the effect, browse through the available presets and select Transition In. This preset creates an incoming shake animation that works at the beginning of the second footage. By using Transition In on the second layer, the footage enters with a shake effect that matches the outgoing motion of the first footage. Once the effects are applied to both layers, the shake transition is complete and ready to use in your Alight Motion project.